Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is from my good friends at Slate Group, and they produced this amazing invitation for Alderson, which is a high-end car dealership in Texas. And this was designed by Meredith Pittman for ACOC Media Works, and this is so cool. Okay, so it's got a shimmery Stardream metallic silver envelope, but when you open it up, there's this beautiful holographic foil invitation. It's just shimmery and shiny. It's on a beautiful midnight blue shimmery paper by Reich Papers. It's just really, really pretty. And so then you've got the holographic foil on it. It's actually a twist fold, and I've shown twist folds on Fold of the Week before, but what I love about this one is there's some real beauty in the production of this piece and in just how amazing it looks. Now, what I want you to notice is that there's no printing on this piece. It is entirely foil stamped, and there's no printing on the back. So this is die score and hand fold and just holographic foil one side. So the production on this is pretty brilliant because they've got this specialty format that folds down. So twist folds are wonderful the way they work together. And by the way, we do have the die line for this at Foldfactory. But I just love how the innovation of saying, let's just use one side. We use a very special holographic foil on the one side. And, you know, they did the whole thing, and it's very readable, and it's shimmery, and it's beautiful. And I could just totally see this as a holiday greeting as well. And this could also, twist folds are carrier pieces as well, so you could put some materials on the inside if you wanted to as well. So they did about 4,300 of these, just so brilliantly beautiful. So I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Shimmery twist fold invitation. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. If yours, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dial-ins, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.